Peoples, how are you guys? So, Friday has been a very, very beautiful month. I said Friday. No, February has been a very, very beautiful month, and today is finally the last day of February. But let me show you guys the trade I was able to take on Friday. I think I keep mixing up Friday and February. It's whatever. So, let me show you guys the trade I took on gold. These two trades these two trades. So basically, this was from Thursday, I believe. But yeah, so I was able to get this trade and then this one up here. But let me go through this one basically. So right here, we're having, price was tanking down. Basically, we're creating higher highs and higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, and also breaking structures to the downside. Then we came here, we added higher high over here, then higher low, then higher high, then higher low. Then we officially broke the structure to the upside. So basically, we add a break, or some people call it market structure shift, to the upside. Then we came to create. I was waiting for like a retest of this other block over here. But however, like price went again. Price disrespected it for a while, but then ended up like creating an other block for hit to tap and then buy from there. So it was basically like reacting from is it sell side liquidity or whatever they call it. But anyways, there was just I saw like a liquidity sweep over here, then price continued to go up, then created a break, created a other block. Then I actually wanted to enter from this fair value gap up here, but price disrespected it. So I was just like, okay, I'm gonna use the other block. So I used the other block, target this high and got my 1 2 3. It was beautiful. Just very simple, very, very simple steps, nothing too crazy. And this happened around like 6 a.m. during London time. I'm always up around like 1 a.m. around this time. See, like we kept having structure to the downside. So yeah, I mean that was just about it. And price continued to break structures to the upside and just started buying, continued for a long time. Like imagine I had held this up to this point. This is just a nice 1 to 23. Like look at that. But I'm just gonna take my 1 to 3 and I'm done. That's it. Just 1 to 3. And that is how traders are disciplined. Yes, there's gonna be so much more opportunities. Look, I didn't even get half of the move. This is like less than quarter of the move. But the what matters is that I was able to participate, get what I needed, and left. And coming to the next to the PM session of New York, I just wanted to continue the trend, given the fact that we've been bullish, breaking structural highs, broke this low, then we continue to break this low. Let me just map it out for you guys. It's gonna be easier. We broke this high, break of structure. We had then we came and broke this low over here, right here. Give me a second. Came over, broke this low right here. Then we got price came, retested, broke this low again. Right over here. Right? I just wanted something that would say, okay, now we can start buying. Then price came here, this high, this low, then right here, then came lower again, then broke this high, right? I just wanted a break of structure to the upside. Now that I got a break of structure, then I got my other block over there, the DJ is here to set. I think that's the DJ. Excuse me, guys. But yeah, then we add this other block right here. This red candle. I'm sure you guys see it. Yeah, this red candle. I placed my entry. You know, covered some part of the lows. I just basically covered this low right here, this other block low, you know, with just a little bit extra, and target this high right here. I mean, I went a bit above the target because the target wasn't giving me 1 to 3, and just a little bit gave me my 1 to 3, and I was done. That's it. Just 1 to 3 and leave. 1 to 3 and leave. 1 to 3 and leave. That is it. That's all you need. That is all you need. So right now, on Friday, I was so busy. I wasn't really able to do a lot of stuff. But right now, I am going to actually journal my trades. I use Notion to journal my trades. This is basically how I journal my trade. This is my January journal, and my February I already created my March, so you know I'm just working on it and stuff. So I'm just gonna add my journal to my February journal, and then you know continue from there. But yeah, that was a very good one. Let me know if you need the journal template, and I'll send it right to you under your chat or something, or I might just link it in the description below. But just let me know if you guys need it. All right, thank you guys. Cheers. Bye bye. See you next on Monday. I really hope the whole Trump and Iraq war doesn't really affect the chart as much, because the spikes are gonna be crazy. But let's see how it goes. Alright, bye guys. Enjoy.